Mexican cornbread really looks good and smells great. I can't wait to eat it tonight with my navy bean crock pot soup. This is a recipe that I used to make a lot, and I thought it would be really good with our navy beans and ham today. So let me get started on it. And the recipe will be in the description below. Okay, this right here is my cornmeal and my flour and my milk and my corn. I wanted to add all of my liquids first and stir it up. Okay, and I'm going to be adding 2 eggs. That cream corn really smells good. Okay. Okay, I got all of that stirred up now. So I'm going to put in my green chilies. Those really smell good too. They're mild, so if you like hot, you can add hot. And of course, you can double this recipe if you have a big family, but there's just me and Calvin, so I think this will be enough for us. So now I'm going to put in my green onion. Okay. Give that a stir. And now the really good part, the cheese. If you don't like a lot of cheese, you can leave some of it out, but me and Calvin tend to put more. Okay, this is a cast iron skillet that I'm using, and I'm going to be cooking this at 350 degrees until it gets done. And it depends on what type of oven you have, so I'm just going to be watching mine. So I can't wait to get a piece of this. This is the way it looks, and so I'm going to put it in my oven, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, my Mexican cornbread is done. It's been cooking about 27 minutes. It smells good, and I'm going to let it cook for a little while. And sometimes when you get your cornbread out of the oven, and it don't always come out of the pan like you want it to. So I'm hoping that this one comes out pretty. And so I'll be back as soon as it cools off, and I'll cut it. Okay, my Mexican cornbread has cooled off, and so it came out of the skillet really good, which I was happy about that. Sometimes you have success, and then sometimes it don't always work that way, but I'm glad it came out good. So I'm going to cut a piece of it. This Mexican cornbread really looks good and smells great. I can't wait to eat it tonight with my navy bean crock pot soup. So there's what it looks like, and I'm going to be serving this with my crock pot meal that I have already made. It's called navy bean soup, and that's the one I'm doing for the Fall Food Friday. So love what you do and do what y'all love, and y'all have a great day. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here